If you're into hiking, you may already know that trekking poles are essential items for many. However, some trekking poles take a long time to install, and the risks become exhausted when hiking for a long time. Introducing a new premium trekking pole, Heritage 1.0. There are two sizes available, from medium to large, so you can choose according to your height and body type. Installation is super fast. Easy to set up and set off are possible due to one-touch installation. Pull the poles until you hear the click sounds. Adjust the length to your comfort and close the flip lock safety device to complete. No more physical fatigue on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders from using the poles. Consisting of 4 micro cores and 1 main core, Heritage 1.0 can absorb all instances of shocks, from light vibrations to powerful impacts. This pole is compact, portable, and incomparable to other trekking poles. So what exactly is Heritage 1.0 made of? We choose Duralumin 7001 as the main material of Heritage 1.0. Duralumin 7001 is an aluminum alloy material that is powerful and light. This lightweight but sturdy material is perfect for trekking poles due to its excellence in stiffness and resilience. We also applied shock-resistant polycarbonate to the anti-shock and automatic locking devices of each tier, and used composite glass on the flip locks for increased durability. Lastly, the handle was produced with highly elastic and dense ethylene vinyl acetate materials to provide a solid, stable grip for the user. Backers, we kindly ask for your support in experiencing this wonderful product that will upgrade your hiking adventure. Premium one-touch 5-core anti-shock trekking pole, Heritage 1.0.